Hey there, young explorers. Welcome to Magical Butterfly Adventure, exploring colors, habitats, and fascinating facts where we'll embark on exciting journeys to meet the most colorful creatures in the world. I'm Adventure Alex, and I can't wait to share this magical world with you. Let's dive into the enchanting world of butterflies. They come in so many beautiful colors and patterns, making them some of the most stunning insects on the planet. Butterflies have a fascinating life cycle. They start as tiny eggs, hatch into caterpillars, form a chrysalis, and emerge as stunning butterflies. It's like a magical transformation. Look at these vibrant butterflies. From electric blues to fiery oranges, each one is a masterpiece of nature's art. Can you spot the different colors? Now let's explore the habitats where these beautiful creatures call home. We'll visit lush gardens, sunny meadows, and even dense forests where butterflies flutter freely. Watch closely as these graceful creatures dance in the air, sipping nectar from colorful flowers. They have a special way of moving that's both elegant and mesmerizing. Some butterflies have an amazing ability to blend into their surroundings. It's like they have their own invisibility cloak. Can you spot the hidden butterflies? Before they become butterflies, they start as caterpillars. They munch on leaves and grow until they're ready for their magical transformation. It's like a caterpillar adventure. Did you know that butterflies taste with their feet? Or that some butterflies can migrate thousands of miles? These little creatures are full of surprises. Let's take a closer look at butterfly wings. They're covered in tiny, colorful scales that create those beautiful patterns we see. It's like a work of art. Butterflies can be found all over the world, from the jungles of South America to the meadows of North America. They're nature's global travelers. Butterflies have been inspiring people for centuries. They're often featured in art, stories, and even on clothes. They're true celebrities of the insect world. Butterflies and flowers have a special relationship. Butterflies help pollinate flowers while getting nectar for themselves. It's a win-win for nature. Our butterfly adventure has come to an end, but remember, you can always go outside and see if you can spot some butterflies in your own backyard. Until next time, keep exploring and learning about the amazing world of butterflies.